In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Apple Music. We will walk through finding a song you like and saving it so it always lives in your library, ready to play again without hunting for it every time. First, launch Apple Music on your device. Look for the red and white music note icon on your home screen or in your app list, then open it. When it loads, you will see tabs like Listen Now, Browse, and Library along the bottom. If you land on a different tab, do not worry. Any of them will work for what we are about to do. Now search for a track. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Search tab, which usually sits on the far right. At the top, you will see a search bar that says Apple Music. Tap into that bar and type the name of a song, an artist, or even a specific album. As you type, suggestions appear under the bar. A quick tip here, if you only know part of the name, type what you remember, then look through the suggestions that appear below. When you see the track you want in the results, stop there and get ready to open its options. Next, tap the More button, the three dots next to it. You will see those three dots on the right side of the song row. Tap directly on the dots, not on the song title, or it will start playing instead. When you tap the three dots, a menu slides up from the bottom of the screen. This menu shows several actions, and one of them controls whether the track is in your library. Advanced users often use this same menu to share songs or view the album, so it is worth getting comfortable with it early. From here, tap Add to Library. In that menu, look for the option that says Add to Library and tap it once. The menu closes and you stay on the same screen. On many devices, the song row will briefly show a small added confirmation, or the plus icon will change style, so you know it worked. There is no extra save button. The moment you tap Add to Library, Apple Music updates your library in the background, and that song appears under your Library tab in the Songs and Recently Added sections. Finally, tap the plus icon to add an entire album or playlist instantly. Open the album or playlist page and look for a round plus icon near the top. Tap that plus once, and Apple Music adds every track from that album or playlist into your library in one go. You will usually see the plus change to a check mark or a different icon, which tells you the whole collection is now saved. A helpful detail here, if the album later gets new bonus tracks, Apple Music often updates the saved album automatically, so you do not have to add those manually. You have now learned how to search for a song, add a single track, and add full albums or playlists to your Apple Music library. So if this helped you get your library set up, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Apple Music tips.